In this video we are Espresso coffee maker. Espresso coffee makers are a popular choice for coffee enthusiasts who love the strong, rich flavor of espresso. They come in a range of types and styles, from manual to automatic, and each has its own set of features. Here's a brief overview of the main types. Manual espresso machines, semi-automatic espresso machine, automatic espresso machines, super automatic espresso machine, stovetop espresso makers, mocha pots. So here are top 5 best espresso coffee maker. Espresso coffee maker.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.